Welcome to a new episode of our series on digital transformation. Today we are going to discuss a crucial topic for global enterprises: real-time evaluation and decision-making. In today's dynamic and competitive world, the ability to analyze data instantly and make decisions quickly is a strategic advantage that organizations cannot afford to ignore. In this video, we will explore how artificial intelligence, AI, and big data are enabling companies to address global challenges and make critical decisions in a matter of seconds, improving their operational efficiency and competitiveness. Companies operating globally face challenges that require quick responses. The ability to make real-time decisions can be the difference between leading the market or being left behind. Fluctuations in consumer trends, changes in global logistics, or economic instabilities are just some of the factors that can affect a company's performance. AI makes it possible to manage these factors through real-time data analysis, helping executives respond to changes in an agile and strategic manner. AI algorithms are essential for real-time decision-making. These algorithms make it possible to process large amounts of data from multiple sources and generate automated recommendations. Companies such as Amazon and Alibaba have adopted these systems to optimize their global operations, adjusting inventories, logistics routes, and marketing strategies instantaneously. With AI, decisions are not only made faster, but are more accurate because they are based on predictive analytics and market behavior patterns. One of the biggest challenges for global companies is supply chain management. AI has proven to be a key ally in optimizing logistics, adjusting routes and delivery times to avoid costly delays. At companies such as DHL and Procter & Gamble, AI is used to anticipate disruptions and reorganize the supply chain in real time. This not only saves costs, but also improves operational efficiency and maintains high levels of customer satisfaction. In financial markets, the ability to make real-time decisions is crucial. AI algorithms can monitor market movements, analyze macroeconomic data, and predict fluctuations. This helps companies adjust their financial strategies and investments immediately. Firms such as Goldman Sachs and BlackRock use AI to manage portfolios and detect investment opportunities in real time, improving performance and minimizing risks. AI not only optimizes internal operations, but also improves the customer experience. Companies such as Netflix and Spotify use AI to personalize their services in real time, based on user behaviors. This not only increases satisfaction, but also improves retention. By instantly adjusting recommendations and offers, these companies can offer a more dynamic and attractive service. The benefits of real-time evaluation and decision-making are clear. Improved operational efficiency. Quick decisions optimize resources and processes. Risk reduction. AI anticipates problems and adjusts operations before they become crises. Increased competitiveness. Companies that make decisions faster have an advantage over their competitors. Better customer experience. Real-time personalization improves satisfaction and loyalty. Real-time decision-making is a critical competitive advantage in today's globalized world. With AI and big data, companies can respond quickly and accurately to market challenges and opportunities. If you want to implement AI systems for real-time decision-making in your company, contact me on LinkedIn. I'm here to help you integrate advanced technology into your organization. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep learning more about how technology is transforming business leadership.